All right, what's up, y'all? I just wanted to come back and do an analysis. Not trading right now. And I close out my trades. I'm actually in drawdown. Approximately like 40% of my account is in drawdown right now, which is cool. This is what I'm seeing in the market as of today. Today, right now, is 12:45, Thursday, right? Iran war. We had this super duper bearish candle coming off of yesterday. Made a lot of money here. I think I made $5 grand yesterday. About $5 grand or a little over $5 grand. And that's what I was expecting. Sells today, going deeper into sells. Let's go start with the Asian session. You can see this Asian session. We're in some consolidation. Right here. I just couldn't see an A plus setup, but you see we have some consolidation right here. Where this red zone is. I like to call it no man's land. You know, you don't want to trade within this zone right here. But we had a top just created the height of the day, or the highest price of the day. Came down back to the bottom, tested it, rejected it, tested again, rejected it. I got in the trade right here based off of this bearish candle pattern. It went right back up, went up against it, got out in drawdown. The market came back up to this point and gave some. This is good. Do you want to move this to the back? What's the order? Yeah. All right. So you can see the market came, touched, tap, came back down. This could have been one possible entry today. I was still in bed at this time. I wasn't paying attention. Really wasn't paying attention. This would have been a good entry for me to hold on to probably ride down, but instead I had to keep finding like sub entries. I stopped out like twice around here. Market giving a bunch of sell signals, but then coming back up and knocking me out again. Came down, finally broke this consolidation here and started a whole new consolidation, right? And that's where we're at now. Just moving sideways, no man's land again. Don't want to trade in that area. Also, you can see that the previous H4 candle closed above this daily support. Currently, we're in a demand zone as well, and that's usually where there's a lot of buyer energy. So just holding off. I feel like this needs another push. You know, before we got down to here, kind of tried to push 23.6, but couldn't. Came back down, and now this is where we're at it. So what I'm looking for tomorrow's Friday. So what I'm looking for, period. If it happens tomorrow, cool. If it doesn't, cool. It's a retrace. I feel like there's a lot of seller exhaustion now in the market. I do still have the market going there, but I feel like it needs another retracement to generate more energy to continue going down. Some levels I'm going to be looking at tomorrow are here. Come all the way down. 50%. A lot of confluence there. Continue right down. And then even at the 61.8, 60.1.8, somewhere around here, where it's going to probably retest that candle formation, trend line, trend line. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm sitting on my hands, and I'll be looking for this setup on the H1 for sure. Consolidation, broke consolidation, impulsively, no, it hadn't retested or anything, so probably gonna shoot back up. Yeah, we need some market manipulation. So I think the banks will come in and manipulate the market, drive the price back up, so we can get in a better price to sell, to drop it more. So that's what I'll be looking for. Yeah, but that's it. Not a long video, not gonna be long-winded. That's what I'm looking for. No trade right now.